Hello everyone. Today's project is working on the rear valance panel. This is after we've tied it to the tree and did all that we could there. Found the previous repairs. If you look closely, you can see the rust that had worked its way under the body filler. I'm sure was due to the slide hammer holes that were poked into it and pulled out. And while that probably was all they could do at the time, they couldn't get to the back of the panel due to the trunk floor being in. It did last 50 years. Been doing some work roughing out. Got the filler out of the drilled holes. And been hammering, doling, reaching in with all the tools I can, trying to poke out the low spots. This, you've probably often heard this tool referred to as an air file. Well, it was originally designed to have a steel file blade on it. I use it here. It does many things. All those little teeth act like little hammers, so they kind of vibrate it and hit it. It does some shrinking. It isn't really removing any serious metal. That's not its object. But it changes the surface of the metal from ground to filed. And if you look, you can see the shiny spots. These are the high or not low areas, depending upon what it is. So it shows you areas that I need to tap out and bring up. You can see the areas around the screw holes are high. Using the filed metal as a guide, I tap the low areas, pick up the tool, glide over it again a little bit. It'll show me how much progress I've made. And as I said, it does some shrinking. So the high areas tend to go down and the low areas will come up a little bit. This is a slow and steady process. Granted, I could just stop and slather some more body filler over it, but where's the fun in that? I don't often get a chance to use my metal finishing skills. And here is the product. It's nearly all up. You can still see there's some dark areas around the holes. I'll tap them up a little bit more. And preparing it, just trying to get the metal stable so that when I weld the holes shut, it doesn't go all creepy crawly on me. I've obviously sped this up so that you don't have to watch it in real time. But that is the process that's necessary if you want to take a substantial dent and bring it back slowly and actually use no filler at all. It is possible. Here's the panel. I've already welded the holes up, finished them out, and I won't say it's 100% metal finished by any means, but it will need only a very light coat of filler to bring it around. This area here was quite a bit more challenging. It was the deepest portion of the damage. Trunk floor panel that makes the 90-degree and goes down is right where the impact was at, and it was really difficult to get to the place to repair it. This is the before, and here's the after. Well, to Pahars, I'm going to go with it until we get the deck lid set on it. Make sure that the arc is like I need. We'll see you on the next part of the project. Thank you.